Hello friends, welcome to bsvtrainings.com. My name is Amit, and in today's session I'm going to show you how to create data form in HFM Financial Management including cell text. So we'll understand how to create data form by using one of the requirement over here. This is called creating investment detail. I'm going to create one data form named as creating investment detail, and it is going to have a cell text data. Let's understand the requirement clearly first. So data form, as we discussed a couple of times, data forms are template with predefined rows and column. Okay, that is designed for the user to input any value, input data value, right? User cannot add rows and column and remove rows and column from data form. So data form is used as a template where people can input value. So the interesting example in this case, if you see this carefully, we have got data elements. In HFM we can store only data, right? In addition to this, there is a member called investment name, coupon type, maturity date, rating. These are the cell text. These are not they are not coming from HFM, rather they are cell text. So we'll see how to associate cell text with data form. So the data form I'm going to create, this is going to have point of view. So it's a good idea we capture the whole requirement, so therefore it become easy to build a form. Let's get started. Step first, I log into my HFM server, to my workspace, and open my application. This is my financial consolidation application. It takes me directly to the document section because when I last time log out, I was there in document section. Click on new and create data form. But this is good idea to ensure that the cell text you're referring, it's already there in your application or not. So this metadata you can see under your HFM desktop client. Under manage metadata, open your metadata file, and there you see there's a dimension called cell text label. Okay, so you have got cell text, and there we have description. As per our requirement, we need member investment name, coupon type, maturity date, and rating. All these four members are already there, like rating, maturity date, investment name, and coupon type. All the requirement cell text is already there. If it's not, you can manually input as well. You have option to add new member, you can manually input this. And post manually input, you can go to your load section. Under load section, there's an application element, and you can load the metadata. Just point to metadata file and you can load it. But right now, the cell text which I wanted is already in my application, so I don't need to worry about it. I go to document section, click on form, data form, and name data form. You see the template, the format which I need, the layout, I need product in rows and invest account in column. So product is basically my custom dimension. Number one, all products. So I select product, and under selection point I select descendant of all product or base member of products. So I got all the product over here. I select product and drag and drop, put in a row, right? Similarly, the period I would like continue the current period scenario, let it be budget, and place an account dimension over here. Drag and drop, place account dimension. Select account dimension, member name. The first member I need is a cell text. It's not dimension member name called investment name. So go to others. We have a member called investment name. Select this, point it, and that's it. So first one you got budget and investment detail. Second column is investment amount. This is my HFM dimension member. So I add one more column over here and define my scenario dimension. Make it symmetric type and account dimension. So scenario dimension is continued to be your budget, and account dimension would be your. This time I'm going to manipulate my account dimension. I use investment detail as a dimension member name, but override with my cell text. Select this option, your option over here, column 2, Cell text, select cell text, which is investment name. First one is what? First one was investment name, sorry. Second column was investment amount. So this is investment amount is coming from directly from my dimension, HFM dimension member. Also, it's good idea to give a custom defined heading. Investment detail or name. Okay. Second column would continue to be from HFM. Similarly, you can keep adding new column. Column third will continue to be your scenario, budget, and scenario budget, and finally your account dimension member. This account dimension member third column name is your coupon rate. So select coupon rate from here. Account, others, investment details, and cell text is coupon rate. Define custom heading and continue to do the same thing for the two member as well. For maturity date and rating, do the same thing for both of them as well. Save it. Name your data form. So it's already exists. I'm going to give us a new name, investment details, same name, and go by the default security file, security class. Same fashion you add column number 3 and column number 4 as well. Once you add both the column, this is how it look like. Finally, your data form look like this way. In this example, I add couple of more cell text. Investment name, I can define Citigroup. Investment type is a fixed investment. Investment I can define fix. Okay. Or sharing mode. Investment amount, define investment amount. Coupon percentage. So all the parameter which you wanted, you can specify over here. And this is going to accept the text. Make a note because it's cell text. Maturity date you can define. And security class. So all the information which you want, you can give it over here, and eventually you can save it. So inputting member values is your end user job. Once you input the value, you can click on save, and that's it for today. This is how you can create data form and specify cell text as a member in your HFM data form. And this way, the given dimension member behaves as if it's a string. It can accept a string value. So thanks for watching today's video. Should you have any question, you can write to us www.bisvsolutions.com.